Hello friends, this video on algebraic expressions part 9 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So based on whatever basics we have learned about the algebraic expressions, their addition and subtraction, let's try some of the questions. Question number 1. Identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. So let us start with the first expression. So can you tell me, looking at the expression, that what type of algebraic expression is this? Yes, it is a trinomial because it has three terms. So what are the terms in this expression? So the terms in this expression are 4x square y square, this is one term, minus 4x square y square z square, this is another term, and z square is the third term. So these are the three terms in this expression. Now you also need to tell their respective coefficients. So what are coefficients? Coefficients are the numeric factors. So if you look at the first term, which is the numeric factor in the first term? It is 4. Focus on the second term. The numeric part of the second term is minus 4. Numeric part of the third term is 1. Therefore 4 minus 4 and 1 are the coefficients of the terms respectively. Let's look at the second expression. It is 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. So here what are the terms? Again, this has three terms. 0.3a is one term, minus 0.6ab is the second term, and 0.5b is the third term. So this is also a trinomial. And what are their coefficients? So here, what is the constant part or what is the numeric part? So the coefficient of this term would be 0.3. Coefficient of this term would be 0.6 and coefficient of the third term would be 0.5. So 0.3 is minus 0.6 and 0.5 are coefficients of the three terms respectively. Question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? Okay, so let's start with the first one. X plus y. So how many terms do you have here? Like different terms which are getting added to form this expression. So here you have two terms. One is x and the other one is y. So therefore it is a binomial. Second one is 1000. So 1000 is just one number, one numeric. So you do not have multiple parts which are getting added to form the expression. So therefore this is a monomial. P square q plus pq square. Here again you have two terms. One is p square q and the other one is pq square. So this is also a binomial. 2p plus 2q. Again here you have two terms, 2p and 2q, which when added together forms the expression. So this is also a binomial. Question number 3. Add the following: 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 and 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So let us first write one expression, that is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. How will you write the second expression? In such a way that the like terms are placed exactly below each other. So here p square q square is the algebraic factor. So do you have any such term in this expression with the same algebraic factor? Yes, we have one. It is minus 3p square q square. So we write it below 2p square q square. Perfect. Next, pq. Do you have a term with algebraic factor pq? Yes, that is 7pq. So we write 7pq here. And finally the constant terms together, that is 5. Now let's add them. So here 2 minus 3 would be minus 1 p square q square. Here minus 3 plus 7 would make it plus 4 pq, and plus 4 plus 5 would make it 9. So therefore minus p square q square plus 4 pq plus 9. This would be the sum of these two expressions. So let's look at this one. We have to subtract this expression. Now here the expressions are quite lengthy. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms each. So let's see, how do we subtract them? So we have to subtract it from this expression. So we will first write this expression, that is 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay, so now from this expression you have to subtract this one. So let's look at it term wise. So the first term is 4p square q. So where is the like term of 4p square q? Obviously this one, 5p square q. So let's put 4p square q exactly below 5p square q with a plus sign. Then you have minus 3pq. So here you have 5pq, just below that you put minus 3pq. Then you have 5pq square, we will put it here, that is plus 5pq square. Then is minus 8p. So minus 8p should be here. 7q. So 7q should be below minus 11q, and minus 10, which is the constant, should be below the constant term 18. Now when you subtract, what do? We reverse the signs of the smaller expressions. We reverse the signs of all the terms of the smaller expression. So the expression which is written below is supposedly the smaller one, which is to be subtracted. So let us reverse the signs. All the plus becomes minus and all the minus becomes plus. So once we have done that, then it becomes easy. 18 plus 10, that is 28. Minus 3 plus 8, so that becomes plus 5p. Minus 11 minus 7 would be minus 18q. Plus 5 plus 3 would be plus 8pq. Minus 2 minus 5 would be minus 7pq square. Plus 5 minus 4 would be plus 1p square q. So therefore this expression is the difference of these two expressions. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.